Okay, so ganito kasi yan. 'Pag may objection yung prospect mo, ibig sabihin nun, maybe may doubt siya or maybe may fear or maybe, wala siyang believe. Okay, believe. Wala siyang believe. So, since may objection siya, ibig sabihin mas malaki yung chance na mag-pain sa'yo yung prospect. So, what you have to do, yung doubt niya kailangan gagawa ka ng bridge para from doubt ma-convert mo siya into clarity. So, maging klaro sa kanya. So, if fear, okay, so, gawa ka ulit ng bridge. Ito yung bridge. Ito yung fear. At hahanap ka ngayon ng way para matanggal yung fear niya. So, para matanggal yung fear. Ayan. So, for example, walang believe sa sistema, yung prospect mo. So, all you have to do is bridge pa din. Kailangan mo din ng bridge from walang believe to pabilibin mo siya. So, in any kind of situation, kailangan mo magkaroon ng bridge. Isip-isip ka ng mga ideas, strategies. Paano ba? Okay? So, start asking yourself, paano? Okay? Asking yourself the right question. Let's go!